I'm an employee of
Pawan
Magarpatta
sir is
city.
employed here, huh?
Magarpatta city. I'm a butterfly lover. I'm observing butterflies from the last 1 decade or so. And butterflying is my hobby, actually. And every Sunday I just go out and just wander here everywhere in the city area, outside the city, and observe the butterflies. I document them, I record them, and I do not post them on the Facebook and Instagram. I very rarely post them. I post them on the citizen science platforms. I upload those observations on the citizen science platforms like the inaturalist.org and I Found Butterflies. There are the 2 websites. I request everyone that you also upload these observations on those websites. It is very good. Your butterflies, your observations, once identified, they will go into the research grade, and the researchers, scientists, they will do the research work beyond your data. So it's a very good initiative by contributing your photos to the citizen science platform.
So we can have a lot of young scientists in Magarpatta.
Yes.
You know, he's inviting all of us to become scientists.
Sharing the life cycle of the common emigrant butterfly, lemon emigrant butterfly, which was recorded here in Magarpatta stage wise. Here, this is the mating, this is the egg laying, this is the photo of the egg, this is the larva, this is the adult larva, this is the pupa formation, this is the pupa, the mature pupa, and the butterfly, newborn butterfly.
Can you give me one?
Yeah.
I want that.
Give it to them.
Only one. Only there is.
There's only Shall I hold it for you? Just show them the butterfly cycle.
Yeah, this is the cycle.
No,
It's not for giveaway.
Can I share it on the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, you can share it.
Yeah, just take a photograph too.
Yeah, you can share it. You can share it.
घेतला फोटो
It's go.
त्याचाच
Cycle of a butterfly. See here. This is the mating pair. Okay, then this is the egg laying. The female is laying her egg. This is the lemon emigrant butterfly. The female is laying the eggs on the golden shower plant. You know the golden yellow. Golden shower. Bhava in Marathi. So the female lays the egg on that. That is the larva host plant of the butterfly. Then this is the photo of the egg. Then within 3 or 4 days the larva comes out. The larva is so heavily camouflaged, it stays on the mid-rib of the leaf so that it remains safe from the birds and all those predators. Okay. Then this is the adult larva. Then the larva, when the DNA in the body of the larva tells that now I need to go in for the pupation to become a beautiful butterfly. That time it hangs into the silk thread here, and it forms. It will go into the pupa formation. Then the next day the pupa forms here. The pupa. This is the photo of the pupa. Then within a week's time or so, this is the adult matured pupa. You can see the color of the wings of the butterfly here inside the pupa. Here inside the pupa, and then later on, finally the butterfly emerges here. This is the photo of the butterfly which has just emerged, the newborn butterfly. So this is the stage of the butterfly, life cycle of the butterfly.